Venmo Crypto Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think Venmo is just for splitting bills or sending money to friends, but you won't believe what happens next when you explore its crypto features. Venmo now allows users to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies directly in the app. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash are all supported, making it easy for beginners to start investing without needing a separate crypto wallet or exchange. A surprising truth about Venmo Crypto is how accessible it makes digital currencies. Unlike traditional exchanges, you can manage crypto alongside your everyday Venmo balance, send crypto to friends, and track market trends all in one app. Most people get this wrong. They assume crypto on Venmo is limited or risky. While it's true that crypto is volatile, Venmo provides educational resources, real-time price tracking, and an easy interface that helps new investors make informed decisions. The platform is best for casual investors, beginners, and anyone curious about cryptocurrency without the complexity of a dedicated exchange. It's also useful if you want a simple way to experiment with small investments. However, keep in mind that Venmo charges small transaction fees for crypto trades, so it's not ideal for high-volume trading. For most users, the convenience outweighs the costs. The surprising truth is that Venmo Crypto lets you integrate digital currencies into your everyday financial life, making buying, selling, and holding crypto as simple as sending a payment. Subscribe for more honest reviews of finance apps and crypto platforms so you can make smarter, safer investment decisions.